Samantha Markle warned she faces ruin as ex-judge breaks down Meghan case risks. Meghan Markle's half-sister is at risk of having to fork out millions of dollars in legal fees if she loses her case against the Duchess of Sussex. A former U.S. federal judge has warned Samantha Markle against pursuing her legal case against her half-sister Meghan Markle, as she could end up paying millions of dollars in legal fees. Samantha has been suing Meghan in a long-standing defamation lawsuit in which she alleges that Meghan published and disseminated false and malicious lies designed to destroy her reputation and expose her to humiliation, shame and hatred on a worldwide scale in order to paint a false narrative of her childhood. The Duchess of Sussex struck back with a motion to dismiss, a motion filed when someone believes that the complaint is invalid, that has now been pending for a whole year. If Meghan is successful in dismissing the case, Samantha will have to pay her full legal fees, according to former U.S. federal prosecutor Mitchell Epner. Mr. Epner, who now practices at the NYC firm Rottenberg Lipman Rich PC, told Express.co.uk: if Meghan Markle is successful in dismissing, then, under what called the anti-SLAPP, she would be in a position to get her legal fees paid for by the plaintiff. He added, the threat to Samantha Markle that she might end up having to pay Meghan Markle legal fees, which given how long this case has gone on, we clearly in excess of $100,000. That a significant threat to Samantha Markle. The longer the case, the more expensive it will get, he said, potentially reaching millions of dollars. However, if the case goes past the motion to dismiss stage, then the ability of Meghan Markle to get her legal fees from Samantha Markle goes away. The anti-SLAPP statute only applies if you win on the initial motion to dismiss, he said. Mr. Epner, who practiced law in this area, believes the case will go in Meghan's favor, as the claims made by Meghan do not appear to be grounds for a defamation lawsuit. He said, under U.S. defamation law, the defamatory statement has to be considered in the context in which it was said. You can just strip out one phrase, that's not the way it works. The lawsuit lists statements that Meghan made about Samantha in the Oprah interview, as well as sections of Finding Freedom, a biography written by Ahmad Scobie and Carolyn Durand, which has a chapter titled A Problem Like Samantha. Meghan's lawyer said to make a claim for defamation, Samantha has to allege facts that are provable. Statements that are mere opinions cannot be defamatory. The defense said that everything that has been alleged here is an opinion. For example, Meghan states that her only child statement is a textbook example of opinion. When it comes to claims in Finding Freedom, the motion says that Samantha does not and cannot allege that Meghan actually wrote the book or wrote the complaint of state